Hi, this is Roy Itzler coming to you from the LDI show in Las Vegas here at the Hubbell Wiring Device Kellums booth. Very excited to talk to you today about our new and innovative product, EdgeConnect devices. EdgeConnect is a line of screwless termination products that is innovating a product that has been in the industry for many, many decades. What this product does is eliminate the screw terminals that are hard to torque. They come loose over time and replaces it with a new patented technology that makes installation easier, faster, and more reliable. And we're going to demonstrate how easy this termination is right now. Just insert the wire, actuate the plunger, and that wire is there for good. Unless you don't want it to be there, and then if you want to remove it, then removal is simple as just prying it out and removing the wire. So we're excited to add this product, this feature, to all of our whole family of products, including our twist lock products, our straight blade Edison products, our straight blade panel mount products, switches, and receptacles. So if you want to learn more about Hubbell EdgeConnect products, you could either go to our website and scan this QR code, or you can go to Hubbell.com.